let's make a paper bird. Okay. We need a piece of paper. I have here a computer printing paper. And then we need a square. So we're gonna fold it side by side like that to make sure it's a perfect square. Okay, and then we're going to fold over this piece of extra part, and we're going to cut out. Okay, and we're going to cut it. Okay, now we have a perfect square. Then we're going to fold it corner to corner like that. Okay, like this. We open it. You see the line? We just fold it. Now we're gonna fold it side by side. Okay, and the other side. To help you to see better, because this is a white paper, so I'm going to draw a line to help you to see better. This is the folding line, corner to corner. Okay, and this is the side by side line. Okay, and the other one. Now we have a, make sure, we're going to do that one more time to make sure all the lines perfect. Fold it perfectly. Perfect. Now watch what happened next. See these, the corner right here, 4 corners, and those straight line. You hold the side of a straight line. Okay, you hold like that. You squeeze them all together. Okay, watch that, what's happening. Make sure they're squeezed perfectly. So the 4 little corners stay together. Now you flat them. Flat. Perfectly. Now they turn to a little square. Okay? And this is the little square. The little square has one side, it's open side. See, open. Turn around, see the other side is pointing close. Now, see the line right here? See, this is the open side. See, we're gonna fold it from the open side. This is very important. Okay, a little confusing, but yeah, from the open side. That's gonna help you a lot. Okay, the other side from the open side as well. Fold it symmetrically. Okay, like that, and then you turn around. You fold the other side. Same thing again. Symmetrically fold it from the open side. Okay, one more time. Now they looks like this. Remember this? The pointing close side, we're gonna fold over like that. Okay, and then same, you turn around the other side, same thing again. Turn to other side. So you fold this side and the other side. Why are we doing this? Because you're gonna need this very soon. You will figure it out. Now, we just folded two sides. The line, I'm gonna draw the line right there. It's the folding. Folding to the other side. We're gonna draw a line right there. You can see better. Now, we're gonna open it. See, you remember the line? You open it from this line. Okay, I'm gonna turn around. You can see what's going on here. You fold it, the line. You see that? They turn to follow all these, the line here. You're gonna have a little boat. Perfect little boat. Right here. A perfect little boat. And then you turn around the other side. Remember the line we just folded? Follow this line right here and you turn around. I want you to see it. It turned to a little boat again. Here we go. Perfect little boat. Excellent. Now, watch that. Remember this little boat here? You're going to fold this little boat together. One side and other side. Both sides. Fold together. Now, you're going to see this. It looks like a little person now. Has two little legs. Right? See this side? You fold over. Right? You fold it over the other side as well. Same thing, symmetrical. Now you see. It looks like a two little mountain with two fluffy ears. Okay? Like that. Now you fold down those two little ears. They will be the wing of the bird. You turn the other side. You fold it symmetrically. Okay, now hold your hand like that. Remember these two little mountains, right? You hold like that. You drag those little mountains going forward a little bit, right? And you fold it a little bit. Push down a little bit. This. You will the beak your bird. And the same thing, this is the tail of your bird. You drag down the back a little bit. You fold it one more time. Here's your little bird. Here we go. Your little bird's here. Okay? I hope you like the bird. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.